not a thing. No. Some of y'all might be. I ain't. I'm gonna show you a fake. Spark testers. I like to have two of them, especially working on twin cylinder engines. I like to hook them both up sometimes. Both of these ones broke. Tails broke off of them. Just needed soldering back on. Rooster don't solder. So I have a new one right here in the pack. I don't want to open it. It's new. Let's use these two. I got by after I broke one with the other one. Well, I broke it this morning. This is not a soldering iron. I don't know what it is. It got hot. So I put a little piece of copper and then we're gonna try and solder with it. It was awful. I have soldered maybe one thing in my life. Now, 3. Y'all, you won't make fun of me? That's fine and dandy. There's a world of things I don't know nothing about. Apparently, soldering is one of them. I do know you burn your dang fingers. Take a look. Oh, while I'm thinking about it, take the time, check out my buddy Scotti Daniel. Bet he can solder. That's got a bit of solder all over the end of it there. I'm gonna try and heat it up, pull that little piece of wire out, see if we can't get this and go on there. I am not an expert on soldering. You can count how many times I've done this on one hand. Just ain't never had to do it. It's my homemade, semi-homemade soldering iron. She hot right now. And I know you guys out there probably got a lot more experience doing this than I do. This is not a how-to. This is a what I did. Could be an epic fail. Could be. Wish I had one of them little things that held it. Let's see if we can heat just the tip of that wire up and get my pliers ready to pull that thing up out of there. Don't take a minute. Just don't get hot like in fancy high-dollar units. It may not work at all. I know it feels hot down there. Like I told y'all, we're trying to get by here now. Now, old Shaw Willie, he soldered this thing together in a New York minute. Boy has a knack for that kind of stuff. Hey, let's see where we're at. Probably ain't gonna pull out. Didn't feel like it would. Ain't getting hot enough, folks. Well, it ain't. I'm gonna have to have a better tool. Right down here. Ooh, hot. Maybe that probe's too long. Yeah, it ain't hot enough. Wasting my time. Nah. Fail. Nothing ventured, nothing gained. I won't stick my finger on that so bad. But it is hot enough to burn me, but it ain't hot enough to... I'm losing mine. Yeah, it's hot. Yeah, it's hot. But it ain't hot enough. Get this solder going. Oh, here we go. Felt it move. Look at it now. And we got it. Now let's see. Can we get it back on doggone minute, didn't it? I need help. I just ain't got no experience with this. Like I always said, it was broke when I got here. What am I gonna do? Break it some more? I don't want to hear no negativity now. And that thing just ain't getting hot. It's kind of on there though. I bet I pull it, it comes right off. Let's see if we can clean it up a little bit. I think that doggone probe I made, it's too long. Yeah, far from an expert job here now. I thought that had melted easy. Y'all all posting videos of the things you can do. I'm gonna post a video of something I don't know what the devil I'm doing. Y'all gonna think. You know, I got that thing tinned nice, don't I? Something ain't. Of course, I got a homemade iron. Homemade. It's something else I found. It got hot, so I thought I'd give it a try. Ow! Yep, hot on there over there. Ain't pretty at all. I'm gonna keep screwing with it and mess it up even worse. What do you think? In other words, forget I said that. Oh well, we tried. Let that cool. I'm gonna put this back up on here. I know you guys out there are laughing, and you know what? That's okay. I left my feelings in my toolbox over there. I ain't planning on getting them out today. But, bingo, Daddy Rabbit. Y'all tired of watching this? As tired as I am of fooling with it? Well, can't really argue with the results here. It's stuck on there. Did I do it right? Heck no. Rooster approves though. Like we melted off there and that doggone wire fall off. Alright, that's one down, one to go, and I ain't gonna put y'all through the suffering of watching another. That's my first try, heck. It's on there. Well, the end of it, I didn't want to put you through that second. And I hope it don't fall off right now. But, we made it through. I would appreciate some positive comments. You got some suggestions. I'm sure this is not the right tool. Y'all got some comments on something that might help me in the future? I could use your help on this, as you can well tell. But, till next time, I do appreciate you watching. I know you got a little giggle out of watching me fight with that thing. I gotta go put a little something on this burn. I appreciate it. And how about a subscribe, thumbs up, or not, whatever makes you smile, baby. Talk to you later. Put something on my finger.